In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the viewport in Framer quickly and correctly so you can design with the right frame size and preview your site across different devices with confidence. This is a simple but important step if you want your layout to look polished on desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Framer tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, the key thing you want to do is select the top level frame, sometimes called the page frame. This is the main container for your layout, and it's where you'll define the size of your viewport. If you click on the wrong layer, you might not see the settings you need, so make sure you have the main frame selected. After selecting the top level frame, look over to the right panel. This is where Framer shows the properties for the element you've selected. Find the width and height section. Here, you can set the width to the viewport size you want to design for. For example, if you're creating a desktop layout, you might use 1440 pixels. That gives you a common desktop viewport that works well for most modern screens. If you're designing for a different device, you can adjust the width accordingly. The idea is to match the frame to the viewport you want to target, so your spacing, alignment, and responsive behavior make sense as you build. A properly set viewport helps you avoid surprises later when the site is published. Now, if you want to preview how your design looks on different screen sizes, Framer makes that very easy. Click the preview button. Once preview mode opens, you'll see device icons at the top. These usually include desktop, tablet, and mobile. Use these icons to switch between viewport sizes and check how your design responds at each breakpoint. This is really useful because a design can look perfect on desktop but feel cramped on mobile, or vice versa. By testing each viewport, you can catch layout issues early and make adjustments before publishing. If something shifts unexpectedly, go back to the frame settings and fine-tune the width or the responsive behavior of your elements. When everything looks good, make sure to click Publish. Publishing applies your changes so the viewport settings and layout adjustments are reflected in the live version of your site. This final step is important because it confirms your work is saved and ready for visitors to see. So, to quickly recap, open your project, select the top level frame, set the width and height in the right panel, use preview and the device icons to test desktop, tablet, and mobile, and then click Publish to apply everything. That's the full process for setting the viewport in Framer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.